Hello everyone, I'm Anjali, CEO and co-founder of Treeva, and we're generating reliable power for the UK's railways. Now last year, 4.1 billion kilowatt hours of energy was used on the railways. And with the highest energy bills in the UK, and with the rise of electrification, this figure is only increasing. Now growing up, I had many dinner table conversations about electrification, train signals, and train delays as well, and cancellations. And that's because my dad works on the railways. Now, with over 210 conversations with transport and rail operators, we've seen that there's increasing risks of blackouts and brownouts caused by the energy supply. And so it is crucial to transition towards renewables. However, there's several challenges that still remain, including using too much land and being inaccessible, using unpredictable power and having slow payback periods, and being inefficient with disrupted operation. Now that's where we come in. Treeva makes use of readily available land and passing trains to generate renewable energy, which is predictable, reliable, and efficient. The turbines rotate as air flows over the blade due to the turbulent airflow of the passing transport. The unique blade design has twice the energy efficiencies of alternatives, and this can power infrastructure such as station lighting, train care centre depots, as well as EV charging stations located there. Now we've had a journey filled with learning from floor train operators and Network Rail to ensure that we can integrate efficiently with the infrastructure. And so this included gaining various insights with the Neville Hill Train Care Centre in Leeds, as well as data from various sensors that we've installed. And in November, we submitted a Network Rail assurance panel towards product acceptance. Now this shows that we provide predictable power. Now the first step towards this was installing an ultrasonic wind sensor across the live rail, as you can see over there in the corner. And this provided us with incredible information about the train speeds and frequency of the trains from Northern Rail, who provided their onboard GPS data from the trains. And combining that from the data from the wind sensor, we were able to predict how much power would be generated. Now, without this and using historical data, we can actually provide reliable power using the frequency and speed of trains. Now, as well as all of this, we save 3 times the carbon emissions as alternative solutions or alternative vertical axis wind turbines. And that's partly because of the incredible energy efficiencies that we have, but also by reducing resource extraction, by reusing parts from the automotive industry, as well as recycling as well. Now, the turbines are the first and only turbines that are designed specifically for the railways, with twice the energy efficiencies of alternatives, but also easy installation. And recently we developed temporary installation so that we can use this for example, maintenance, infrastructure maintenance, and temporary installations. Throughout the program with BCIMO, as well as with the train operators, we've explored heavily as how we can meet the key rail priorities, including reducing emissions year on year to meet net zero goals by 2050, as well as generating energy independently on site and optimizing our operations and performance using the sustainable infrastructure. So I'll take you through 3 example use cases so that we can show this to the best of the turbine. So to showcase the turbine as well, this includes Neville Hill as a train care centre, a remote train station, and infrastructure works. So with Neville Hill, we could install 12 Treeva turbines near the main line, which could power the train wash and the lighting of the centre, of the train care centre, and have a 2 to 3 year payback. A remote train station could be powered with 3 to 5 Treeva turbines near the main line, powering all the station lighting with a 1 to 2 year significant payback. And infrastructure works, such as the Transfer 9 route upgrade, could be powered using 2 to 3 Treeva turbines to power temporary needs and equipment on site and have an immediate payback of 1 year. Now, we've had in total, we've been able to develop a feasibility study and install the turbine on the BCIMO site, which you'll be able to see later. And we're excited to share that we've been able to demonstrate CO2 emission reduction, a return on investment as well. So, for example, potential revenue streams with network rail and transport operators, and deliver on the operational impact, to reduce the operational impact on the railway. So with that, I'd like to invite you to join our journey. This is our contact form. So there I have two main asks. One is if you're interested in deploying our turbines, then please do reach out via our contact form or through our website. And the other is if there is anyone in your network who you know who may be interested, then it would be brilliant to gain their feedback so we can learn from them as well as deliver with our turbines and make as much impact as possible. So we are Treeva, making transport systems greener by generating renewable energy. And one thing that I'd really like to say is thank you so much to BCIMO and Connected Places Catapult. The teams have been brilliant, and we've been able to make a significant amount of progress due to their support. And the other aspect is our stand is near the window in the exhibition hall, so it'd be brilliant to have a conversation with you. Thank you so much.